Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Wix bookings. First, navigate to your Wix dashboard and add the Wix Bookings app. This powerful tool allows you to streamline your appointment scheduling, manage client interactions, and grow your business. You can offer a wide range of services, from individual consultations to group classes, all within a single, integrated system. It's designed to make managing your schedule simple and effective. Next, let's add your services. From the Bookings dashboard, click Add New Service. Here, you'll define each offering, including its name, a clear description, and an engaging image. You'll also set the service duration, for example, 60 minutes, and its price, perhaps $50. Don't forget to assign the appropriate staff members who will be providing these services, ensuring everyone's schedule is accurately reflected. Now, let's make your booking page look great. You can customize the design, choosing colors and layouts that perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. Easily add the booking widget to any page on your Wix site, making it simple for clients to find and book. Remember to configure automated confirmation emails and send out timely reminder notifications, perhaps 24 hours before an appointment, to reduce no-shows and enhance client experience. Finally, let's talk about managing your bookings and payments. Your Wix Bookings calendar provides a clear overview of all scheduled appointments, allowing for easy management. Integrate secure online payment methods, such as major credit cards or PayPal, to ensure smooth transactions. For ultimate flexibility, download the Wix Owner app on your mobile device to manage your schedule, client information, and bookings from anywhere, at any time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.